What if everything you've been doing to fix your skin is actually making it worse? Stay with me, because tonight, we're not just washing your face. Tonight, we're resetting your skin completely. I know exactly how it feels. You wake up, walk to the mirror, and there it is. Again, that same stubborn blackhead. That new pimple that showed up overnight like it lives there. You've tried the cleansers, the toners, the miracle products. You've watched 100 videos, followed every tip, and your skin still won't cooperate. It's exhausting, and honestly, it messes with your confidence in ways that go way deeper than just your face. I've been there, hiding under makeup, avoiding photos, feeling like everyone's staring at your forehead in a conversation. So trust me when I say, this video is different. This isn't a product ad. This is the routine I wish someone had shown me years ago. Here's what most people don't understand about acne and blackheads. It's not just about being dirty. It's not about drinking more water, and it's definitely not about willpower. Blackheads form when your pores get clogged with a mix of dead skin cells and sebum. That's your skin's natural oil. When that mixture hits air, it oxidizes. That's what turns it dark. It's not dirt, it's chemistry. Acne, that's the next level. When bacteria, specifically C. acnes, gets trapped inside that clogged pore, your immune system attacks it. That red, painful bump? That's actually your body fighting for you. The problem is, most routines fight the symptom, not the cause. They dry out your skin panics, produces more oil, and the cycle starts all over again. Tonight, we break that cycle, but before we start, I need to call out the mistakes that are silently wrecking your skin right now. Mistake 1. Over-cleansing. Washing your face 3, 4, 5 times a day doesn't clean your pores. It strips your skin barrier, triggers oil overproduction, and makes everything worse. Twice a day. That's it. Mistake 2. Scrubbing too hard. That rough scrub you love? If your skin looks red after using it, you're creating micro tears. You're damaging skin, not cleaning it. Mistake 3. Skipping oil cleanse because you have oily skin. This one shocks people every time. Oil dissolves oil. Skipping this step means sunscreen, makeup, and sebum stay locked in your pores all night. This is where most people unknowingly destroy their skin barrier and never even realize it. Now, let's do this right. By the end of this routine, your skin is going to feel like you just had a professional facial. Softer, clearer, noticeably brighter. Not in 3 months. Tonight, Step 1. Oil cleanse. The foundations start with dry hands on a dry face. This part is important. Take about a coin-sized amount of cleansing oil, jojoba. DHC or even pure squalane oil works beautifully. Warm it between your palms and press it gently into your face. No aggressive scrubbing, just slow, melting circles. Feel it? That's the oil breaking down everything that's been sitting in your pores all day. Sunscreen, pollution, excess sebum. It's all dissolving. Spend 60 full seconds here. Along your nose, your chin, your forehead. Slow, intentional. Then emulsify. Just a few drops of warm water. Watch it turn milky white as it lifts everything off. Rinse. And already your skin feels different. Step 2. Femme flan. Glean deeper. Now we remove what the oil left behind, the water-soluble impurities. Sweat. Bacteria. Use a gentle, low pH cleanser. Something around 5.5 pH matches your skin's natural acid mantle. Cereva foaming, La Roche-Posay Effaclar. Cosrx low pH cleanser. All excellent. Lather it in your palms first. Apply with your fingertips in upward circular motions. Don't drag. Don't rush. Notice how clean this feels. Not tight. Not squeaky. Just fresh. Rinse with cool water to close your pores slightly. Pat, not rub, dry with a clean towel. Step 3. Exfoliation. The reveal this step is where skin transformation actually begins. And most people either skip it or overdo it. We're using a chemical exfoliant tonight, not a physical scrub. If you have blackheads and congestion, reach for a BHA, salicylic acid. It's oil-soluble, meaning it goes inside the pore and cleans it from within. Paula's Choice 2% BHA, or COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. If you have dullness and uneven texture, go with an AHA. glycolic or lactic acid. Apply it with a cotton pad using light, sweeping motions across your nose, chin, and forehead. Now here's the part most people skip. Wait 20 minutes. No rushing. Let the acid do its work quietly, deeply, without you touching your face. This is where the real magic happens. In the silence. Step 4. Clay mask. Depurge mode time for the mask. And this is honestly my favorite part of the whole routine. Take a kaolin or bentonite clay mask, Aztec Secret, Cosrx Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser Mask, or Innisfree Super Volcanic. Apply a thin, even layer across your T-zone. Feel it start to tighten? That's the clay drawing out sebum and debris from deep inside your pores. It's working even when it doesn't feel dramatic. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, not until it's completely bone dry that actually damages your barrier. Take it off when it's just set. Rinse with warm water in gentle circular motions. Look at your skin right now. Do you see that subtle glow beginning to appear? We're not done yet. Step 5 toner/essence. Rehydrate and rebuild. Gentle, nourishing tone. After all that cleansing and exfoliating, your skin is clean, but it's also slightly vulnerable. We need to rehydrate and prepare it to absorb everything that comes next. Pat on a hydrating toner or essence. Something with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, or Centella asiatica. Use your palms, not a cotton pad. Press it in. Let your skin drink it. 3 layers of this. Each time, press and hold for 5 seconds. Now seal everything with a targeted serum. Niacinamide for pores and oil control. Vitamin C for brightness. Retinol, only at night, for long-term skin renewal. Follow with a lightweight moisturizer. Even oily skin needs this. Skipping moisturizer tells your skin it's dehydrated, so it produces more oil. A light gel moisturizer works perfectly. And if it's morning, always finish with SPF. Nothing undoes good skincare faster than unprotected sun exposure. Okay, a few things your esthetician probably hasn't told you. Tip 1. Change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days. It harbors bacteria and oil that transfers directly onto your freshly clean skin while you sleep. Silk pillowcases reduce friction and bacterial transfer. Tip 2. After your BHA, apply a thin layer of snail mucin before your moisturizer. It accelerates cell turnover and visibly shrinks the appearance of pores within a few weeks. Underrated. Seriously. Tip 3. Ice rolling for 60 seconds after masking constricts blood vessels, reduces redness, and gives you that lit from within glow almost instantly. Keep your ice roller in the fridge, not the freezer. Tip 4. Your gut and your skin are directly connected. High glycemic foods, white bread, sugar, dairy in excess, spike your insulin, which spikes your sebum production. Cleansing the outside without addressing the inside is only ever half the solution. Thank you for watching.